What's up guys, you just got me today. Ella's off at practice, so I'm your entertainment. Today I'm going to be moving the trailer back so that we can put the pirate ship on the front. We've only got about a week's left to Halloween, so now it's crunch time. I get a little bit more done today. I'm going to throw a shirt on this dude, get him dressed up, and then over here, oh look, looks like Amazon, this little package. This is the new lens for the camera. They have a habit of throwing stuff at the bottom of the driveway instead of driving up, probably at your house too. Anyways, brought the leaf blower. And then we're gonna set up this jail cell and get that all set up today. Probably put a couple skeletons in it and then we'll light it later. Alright, up we go. Hopefully this goes smoothly. Of course, caught in a tree. Well, all that's left is to get this into place over here. So this is the mast we did last week. It's all on the ground, and I do have something special that's going to go right up on top of this little pier. We'll keep that as a surprise for you. A little bit of a tavern scene goes in here, and then in the window we're going to set up a little bit of like a voodoo witch kind of thing going on. And here's the skeletons in prison. They need some more lights. So we'll be doing a couple colored lights up in the top corner. All right guys, just finished it up. Got the sails all in, it's all in position. And I hope you enjoyed it, but I don't know what I'm saying. All right guys, thanks again for watching. We'll see you in the next episode.